Years of fleecing and plunder of the government's offers by way of the flood control project scam have considerably slowed down GDP growth by 3 to 5%. So says technocrat and Finance Department Chief Ralph Recto in his agency's budget proposal hearing earlier today, which our Daniel Manalastas covered in this story.
The country would have experienced better economy if flood control corruption did not occur. This is what Finance Secretary Ralph Recto explained during the Senate budget hearing on the proposed budget of the Finance Department next year.
Nakikita natin na because of the corruption issue na nangyari at nakita natin in the last few years dahil nga dito sa flood control program, ibig sabihin kung hindi napunta sa corruption yung parte ng budget dyan, ay siguro yung ekonomiya natin would have been growing by 6 to 6.2% at mas malaki ang koleksyon ng BIR at BOC.
Parang there's a potential for non-tax revenue because non-tax obviously doesn't burden, although it's not as much.
Aside from flood control, there are also other factors which affect the revenue targets of the government.
Well, with regard to the revenue targets, once you miss your GDP growth, naturally affected your revenue target mo. If you have a global economic slowdown, apektado din yung halimbawa ang koleksyon ng ang local GDP mo, apektado rin. Ang Bureau of Customs, apektado rin yan sa koleksyon.
Now the elephant in the room is, will the controversy affect the payment of taxes?
Marami na didismay, daming mga rally, daming mga ano, but do you see any slowdown in terms of paying tax?
Yes, nararamdaman na ng BIR yan. Medyo yung growth rate ng collection nila nababawasan ng konti, but so far, manageable naman lahat.
Recto also confirmed that the flood control mess affected the country's credit rating.
Kung wala itong flood control, we met with S&P, they were ready to give us a credit rating upgrade. They were ready. They were already going to be a notch upward. So nakakapanghinaya.
While Recto believes that unprogrammed funds should be limited and should not be huge.
Dalawa siguro pwede. Yung mga calamity katulad ito, pwede yung unprogrammed funds at supplemental budget. Okay. Bigyan mo ng discretion ng Pangulo. Pangalawa, yung foreign assistance projects.
The Finance Secretary also assured that they will not tolerate any corruption and wasteful spending. He also assured that the agency is also addressing the flood control scandal. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.